Imagine starting a business that not only earns you money but also promotes health and wellness. With lemongrass oil, you can turn that dream into reality. In this video, we'll walk through a step-by-step plan for launching your own successful lemongrass oil business. What is lemongrass oil? 1. Lemongrass oil is an essential oil extracted from the leaves of the lemongrass plant. 2. Known for its fresh, citrusy aroma and wide range of uses. 3. Prized for its antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and stress-reducing properties. 4. Used in aromatherapy, skincare, cleaning products, and even as a natural insect repellent. Why start a lemongrass oil business? 1. Growing demand for natural, plant-based products. 2. Versatile product with a wide customer base. 3. Low startup costs compared to other businesses. 4. Potential for high profit margins. 5. Opportunity to make a positive impact on people's health and well-being. Steps to launch your lemongrass oil business. 1. Research and planning. 1. Study the essential oil market and identify your target customers. 2. Develop a unique brand identity and value proposition. 3. Create a business plan outlining your goals, strategies, and financial projections. 2. Sourcing and production. 1. Find a reliable supplier of high-quality lemongrass oil. 2. Consider producing your own lemongrass oil for maximum control over quality. 3. Ensure your production process meets all safety and regulatory standards. 3. Packaging and labeling. 1. Choose packaging that protects the oil and reflects your brand identity. 2. Design attractive, informative labels that highlight the benefits of your product. 3. Make sure your packaging and labeling comply with legal requirements. 4. Marketing and sales. 1. Develop a strong online presence with a website and social media accounts. 2. Reach out to potential retail partners like health food stores and spas. 3. Offer promotions and samples to attract new customers. 4. Gather customer testimonials and showcase them in your marketing materials. 5. Growth and expansion. 1. Continuously gather feedback and improve your products based on customer needs. 2. Expand your product line with other essential oils or lemongrass-infused products. 3. Explore wholesale and private label opportunities for increased revenue. 4. Consider expanding into international markets as your business grows. Conclusion: starting a lemongrass oil business is a natural path to profitability and purpose. By following this plan and putting in the work, you can build a thriving venture that enhances the lives of your customers. Remember, success won't happen overnight, but with persistence and passion, you can turn your lemongrass oil business dreams into a fragrant reality.